beautiful people, welcome to another time with me in the kitchen. So today we're going to be making a simple recipe of egg roll. So let's go into the procedure. I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of nutmeg, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, pinch of salt, sieve. Mix everything together. So the next thing is to bring in our butter. 2 tablespoons of butter. Use your hand to get your butter incorporated into your flour until you have a crumbly out look. Add about 75 to 50 ml of room temperature liquid milk. Add it in stages. Mix. We're going to cover this up and let this sit on the kitchen counter for 15 to 30 minutes. So this is what we have after 15 to 30 minutes. Start by dusting your surface with some dry flour. Transfer your dough onto the surface. Shape your dough into a cylindrical form. Since we have 5 to 6 eggs, we are going to cut it into 6 halves. So estimate and cut equally. We have 6 halves and we are going to deal with each individually. So the first thing is to get a rolling pin, press on your dough and roll. There is a trick in this, guys. Don't roll it too flat. You don't want your eggs exposed after frying. Put your egg in the middle, gradually close it up. Close it up, close everything up carefully and cut the excess dough. Gradually smoothing everything, making sure that every hole is covered up. You want to make sure that your eggs are not exposed after frying. Transfer it on a floured pan. Do the same for all your eggs. So guys, these are our egg rolls after folding them up with the dough. So the next step is to heat up your oil on medium-low heat and fry till golden brown. Pour your oil into the frying pan and deep fry. Place your egg roll on your frying spoon and gently lift it down into your oil. Transfer your egg rolls on a paper towel so they can cool down for about 30 minutes.